Alright, today we have our second Hikvision door cam unit, and we have our interface here. We have our Cat5 wire plugged into our PoE switch, and now we're going to go ahead and use the Hikvision discovery tool, and we're going to find this IP address. Usually it's like a 192.0.0.64, and we're going to change that to a static IP, and then we're going to connect it to this device. And as you can see, we already have our first one, which is our main door, and this is going to go on our back door. Alright, so we have our SADP Hikvision discovery tool pulled up, and we found our new device here. We already activated by changing the password. You can see here's our default IP address, the 192.0.0.65, and we're going to go ahead and change it to our IP scope, which is what I've already done. Just put in our admin password, hit submit. The device is now going to reboot, and you can see we refreshed here, and the new IP address shows up. So now let's go to our intercom and add that device. Alright, now that we have this IP address configured and our other one's already configured, as you can see, if we go to live view, the main door station is there, and now this is going to be our second one, which is going to be the back door. So to get that second icon up there, you need to go to settings, go to the settings icon, go to configuration, and the default is going to be 888999. Okay, then you're going to go down to the device manage icon, and you can see our main door station, which is going to be your main one that you're going to be using all the time, or the most frequent one that people hit maybe, which is going to be this .86 is our main front door one. And you can see our other one is there, but this is basically selecting the main door, so you can switch it, but switch it to the one that's usually going to be used more often. Then you see an option here that says main door phone. So click on that, put in the IP address of that second device that you have, which is going to be our back door. Hit OK. And then we can hit back. And then when we go to our live view, you can see now we have main door station and main door phone. So you can see that's me right there. I know people had a lot of questions on how to get two of these set up, but that's how you do it. You just go into that device settings and add it as another door. So let's go ahead and do a test call now that we have everything set up. Like I said, we have both doorbells connected now. Hit that call button, comes right in. Now while we're in here, let's say you have two of these and then another camera you want to add, just to have another view. You can hit this plus symbol up here and then add device. So you put in the device name, the IP address, the admin and password to that camera to log into it. And what that's going to allow you to do is when we get back to our home screen here and you go to live view, when you switch to network cameras, that's where that is going to show those cameras. So then you can hit play here and it's going to show that camera here. Because I added this camera, but you could add another Hikvision dome camera or night vision camera, whatever you might have outside, just so you can do a quick access to it. And then these are your doorbells, obviously. But yeah, so that's another nice feature.